that the tiger, just the tiger, wakes up one morning and finds that the wolf has come down on the fold, what does he... Before I tell you what he does, I will tell you what he does not do.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
He does not expose everyone to humiliating intellectual analysis. Now, he comes out of his corner like this. The bull elephant in him is aroused.
Can't you stick to one animal?
No, Michael, no. That is my point. All animals are the same, including the so-called human being. We're all male animals, too.
But you said...
Even the penguin, that little thing, he'll stand for no monkey business where his mate's concerned. Oh.
I don't believe it.
There it is, in us always, though it may be asleep. The male animal, the mate. When you're married long enough, you become a mate. Think of the sea lion for a minute.
All right.
Here is his mate lying in a corner of the cave on a bed of tender boughs or something. Now, who comes swimming quietly in through the early morning mist, sleek and powerful, dancing, whirling, and throwing kisses?
Joe Ferguson.
Yes, and what do I do?
You say hello.
But the sea lion knows better. He snarls, he gores, he growls with his antlers. He knows that love is a thing you do something about. He knows that it's a thing that words can kill. You do something. You don't just sit there. I didn't mean you. I hope I have made all this clear to you. Are there any questions?
Yes, sir. Who are those strange people looking at us?
What in the world have you been doing?